पायाभूत सुविधांच्या माध्यमांतल्यान भारत सगळ्यात गरीब आणि सगळ्यात असुरक्षित लोकांच्यो गरजो पुराय करपा खातीर वचनबद्ध आसा अशें प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हांणी म्हटलें. आपत्ती प्रतिरोधक पायाभूत सुविधा वयल्या अंतरराष्ट्रीय परिशदेच्या 4थ्या आवृत्तेच्या उद्घाटन सत्रांत प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हांणी व्हिडिओ संदेशा वरवीं संबोधन केलें. खंयच्याय पायाभूत सुविधांच्या वाडीच्या केंद्र थळार साधारण लोक आसपाक जाय आनी त्यांच्या नदरेंतल्यान भारत आपली वाटचाल करीत आसा अशें तांणी म्हटलें.
We remain committed to meeting the needs of the poorest and the most vulnerable by building the next generation infrastructure to realize their aspirations. And infrastructure is not just about creation capital assets and generating long-term return on investment. It is not about the numbers. It is not about the money. It is about people. It is about providing them highly quality, dependable and sustainable services in an equitable manner. People must be at the heart of any infrastructure growth story. And that is exactly what we in India are trying to do.